In this video, we're going to explore how to work with inter-office communication using your existing computer networks. So the problem is it's difficult to communicate key information to your team in a timely fashion. You might try emailing everybody, but email information tends to get lost. Most people have hundreds or thousands of emails in their email inbox, so those messages just get lost or ignored. So how do you get information in front of people in a timely fashion that they can't ignore? So the solution is to turn your entire computer network into a company-wide broadcasting system. So this means the computers or laptops or tablets on their desks or in their hands are now going to become part of the communication system that's going to be shown right on the screen in ways that they can't ignore. The tools we're going to use for this are PowerPoint for the design aspect of it, which of course most of you probably have somewhere in your office, and a tool we have called MessagePoint, which will allow you to handle delivery and scheduling of all of your inter-office communication. So here's some of the ways you can send messages out using this combo. So first off, you can send push notifications. These would be small little message pop-ups that would come up on their screen and could have an important message, something that's happening, something that's timely, something that they have to pay attention to. You can also use Wallpaper. This means the back screen of your desktop could be also set to show the branding, to show messages that are going to be coming up as well. And screensavers, whenever a screensaver kicks in, you can be adding a company message to that screensaver, or at least branding so that everybody's showing the same brand throughout the office. And the login image as well. MessagePoint lets you control the login image, so when people come back to their computer to log in, they can see the new messages right there. So what kind of content would you put in these different kinds into the screensaver or the wallpaper or the login screen or the push notifications? So really it can be any kind of content you can create for the computer. You can be showing information about milestones and achievements if you've made your quarterly sales quota, or if you've gotten a higher level of customer satisfaction or a higher number of customers. Whatever it is, you can be showing these milestones and achievements to make sure everybody knows and everybody can celebrate. You can be showing human resource notices. These could be safety notices, welcome to new employees, reminders of things that are happening regarding human resources, etc. Meeting notices. So if everybody's supposed to be at a marketing meeting today at 10:45, you can make sure that's going to pop up in their computer as a push notification or show up on their screensavers to remind people that the meeting is happening at that time. You can also show videos. So if there's a company news update that you're going to do that's going to have regular information, you can create a video for that, and you can be showing that on everybody's screen. Public relations is often key. If your company is affected by something that's controversial, or if you have a message relating to news that's going on, things right now, demonstrations, those kinds of things, you can make sure that all of your employees are getting the same message from your public relations team or your CEO, and you can also provide them with instructions. So if you're approached by media, do not engage with media. Instead, refer them directly to the public relations department or refer them to the office of the CEO. This way you make sure that people are inadvertently giving out information that they shouldn't, make sure everybody's in the same track, and also keep your staff, your team informed of these controversial things that are going on and what your company's doing to deal with it. Social updates. If it's somebody's birthday, office party coming up, Christmas party coming up, whatever it is, you can keep everybody informed about the social aspects of the office that are going on through the company-wide broadcasting system as well. It can also include remote workers. So remote workers who might be working from their own home or coffee shop or something like that can also get these updates via the internet. So it will show up exactly the same way on their computer as push notifications, screensavers, wallpapers, login screens, etc. So they're not left out. So MessagePoint allows you to manage this centrally. As you can see here, we've got some areas set up for different departments. You can click on the plus sign to add videos, add PowerPoints and the like, or to edit them. And you can create separate playlists based on the channel department. So the key performance indicators you might want to provide to the marketing department are quite different than the ones you would provide to the human resources department. So with human resources department, you might show things like the employee turnover rates, employee satisfaction rates, etc. With marketing, you might show customer satisfaction rates, new sales, customer retention, and things like that. And for the warehouse people, you might be showing upcoming logistics, safety messages, and a variety of different things as well. So you can customize and create playlists based on your channel department. What do clients say about MessagePoint? This client says MessagePoint is the rare software. It's powerful, extremely easy to use, and seamlessly blends into our workflow. It has helped keep our whole team on track with our messaging and up to date. Software is also supported by a professional and very responsive support team. Would highly recommend MessagePoint for any team. So if you'd like to learn more about how to turn your existing computer network into a company-wide or organization-wide broadcasting system, please visit PresentationPoint.com for more information. Thanks for listening.